Hello, what's up guys, I am Ariovid and welcome next tutorial where I will show you how to put banner on your channel YouTube. Okay, start. So you may leave like and subscribe my channel, share to others, write a comment, and okay. So first step is login on your account channel, YouTube channel. Next you must enter on your channel and be on this page and click on the manage channel. Are two methods to put banner on YouTube, and now click on the marks. We have here a picture of banner. Okay, and what is important, you must have a good resolution. You have here right numbers, and now we click on the change and we set which you need. Okay, and you have resolution on computer, on TV, and on the phone. So you have here showing, and you have also on computer, TV. Now you may change place this and we click ready. If you want to have best results, you must use this sizes and ready and public. And second method is faster, is click directly on this image. At the end we have, as you can see, and here you have also change. And that's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe. I have hope that I help you. You may leave like and subscribe. Bye bye and see you next time.